What's up everyone, it's your boy CJ with another video. Before I get into today's video, I just want to thank you guys for the support you showed me in my previous video. I really appreciate it. And because of that, your boy got paid and upgraded the studio. Just kidding. But I did manage to upgrade a little, some new lighting, so let's check that out. Bam! That's right, I know. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So as you can tell from the title, budget speakers. I've got a few in the studio right now, but the first one, I believe some of you have seen. It was trending on meme pages and social media a couple of months ago. And if you haven't guessed it, it's a giant AirPods looking speaker. On the box it says giant headset speaker, multifunctional speaker, and looking at other functions of the speaker, FM radio, charging, micro SD card, audio cable, HD microphone. Now that's interesting. USB flash. We've got 3 hours of battery life, true 360 sound, and TWS, totally wireless. Okay, the other side of the box, it tells us we've got 5 watts and working distance of up to 10 meters. That's really interesting. Okay, we also got labels on the side of the box. We've got a power button, a mode button, previous song with the volume button, a low volume button, stop play, next song, volume button. Oh, would you look at this? Charging port. I believe I was supposed to say port. But anyway, we've got a micro SD slot, the mic, and the USB slot. Okay, so let's get into the box of the speaker. Okay, getting into the box, we're greeted with a product manual and this really interesting audio cable. It's not double-sided. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, we'll put that aside. Let's get into the giant AirPod itself. Wow. Okay, this thing does pack some weight. We'll put it aside. The rest of the box, yeah, okay, that's empty. Let's take a look at the giant AirPod itself. Giant AirPod speaker, sorry, damn. Okay, it's definitely heavier than I expected. Okay, I'm gonna compare it to actual AirPods. Actually, you know what's interesting is, nah, they can't match that. The material in the AirPods is it feels very premium. You can feel the cheapness on this, but the weight actually is pretty, wow. Okay, so as you can see, now let me make sure it's the same, right? As you can see, they kind of got the detail right. Yeah, you got the sensor thing for the ears, the little speaker over there, little speaker grill. The 2 speakers, as you can see, 2 speakers, and as you look at, if you look into the AirPod, 2 speakers, and another, yeah, oh my god, this is so interesting. Okay, the only thing that's different really is that. Okay, that's, let me put the AirPods aside. Yeah, so we've got those buttons that we saw in the box, the mode button, volume down, volume up, and the pause and play button. The on switch is here. Okay, there's nothing much really to, oh my god, I mean, look at this. Would you look at that? Some few details not matching, but okay. Not really much to say about the exterior of this. Why don't we try it out? Let's pair this and see how it actually sounds. It really isn't much. As you can see, they got the detail pretty close. Oh my god. Oh, except from the buttons here. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm gonna switch this on and pair it to my device over here. Okay, when I switch this on, I believe I do that.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, Bluetooth mode. Okay. What's it called? I wonder what it's called actually. G2. Okay, let's connect to G2. I would actually rename this to Giant AirPod. Giant right AirPod. Okay, it's taking time to connect. I don't know why. It's very strange. Okay, so managed to get it connected. At least it doesn't say your Bluetooth is connected successfully. Okay, yeah, pretty easy to connect. I'm gonna play a couple track by my brother Lilo, one of the tracks. I'm gonna try this at low volume at first because I don't know how loud this is, but I'm gonna turn up the volume on this. Okay, okay, okay. Before I go into the song. Most speakers, the volume controls on the speaker itself are different from the volume controls on the on your device. But as you can see, oh, I'm going back. As you can see, as I hold on to the volume down, it actually reduces. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get it. I'm just gonna skip. She melts my heart when she calls me daddy. Everything she say I do, even when I don't want to. Everything she say I do, even when I don't want to. Hey, how did we get here? Tell myself I never. Okay, so really interesting. The sound really just comes from here. It's pretty loud. I bet you guys heard that. It's really, really loud. I didn't expect it to be that loud. When you hold it and play the music, you can actually feel the bass. It's not that much, it's not that bassy, but you can feel the bass. I'm gonna try the microphone because it said it's got a microphone. Right there, that's where the microphone is. I'm gonna open the voice memo and just see how it actually sounds. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but let's give it a try. I'm just gonna tap up first. Hello, hello, testing mic 1 2, testing mic 1 2, testing mic 1 2. Okay, I'm gonna play that. Hello, hello, testing mic 1 2, testing mic 1 2, testing mic 1 2. Oh my god, that's a terrible. That's a terrible microphone. So you heard it. Not the best sounding microphone. The speaker itself is pretty decent. It's decent for its price. This speaker goes at 38 ringgit. I'll put the other conversions on the video, like right there. So yeah, it's pretty decent. Before I forget, to charge the speaker itself, it's a micro USB. You just plug it in, and there you have it. It's a very tight fit. Okay, so you've got the 3.5 millimeter audio cable there, and the charging and the USB-A that you plug into your charging brick. Okay, so that's pretty much it about the giant Airpod looking speaker. Alright. Okay, now to the other two speakers that I have in studio. I have the EWA A103 and the mini speaker. I'm gonna start with the mini speaker. Okay, so not much writing on the mini speaker. As you can see, it comes with also 5 color options: black, yellow or gold, not too sure, red, purple or blue, I don't know, and silver. Okay, let's get into the box. As you can see, the packaging isn't so good, but oh well, I mean, okay, so that's the speaker itself. I'll put this aside. Inside the box, nothing much really, just another micro USB to USB-A cable. Okay, let's grab the speaker. The build quality on this is very light. It's really very light. We've got a cable tie here. I believe that's what it's for, you know, extra protection. We've got the mode button, pause and play and call button, volume down and previous, next song and volume up, our charging port, our audio jack, and micro SD slot and the microphone. Okay, well, like I said, build quality on this is pretty, it feels pretty cheap. Okay, we're gonna play with my iPad. Where's the on button? Oh, okay, there it is. I didn't see that. That's the on button over there. I'm gonna switch it on. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that's unusual, but okay. Let's connect it. Wait for it to show up on other devices. Okay, should be there by now. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So after a couple of tries, I finally managed to get the Bluetooth working. So I'm just gonna power it on again. Okay, and the device is actually called speaker and it's connected. So let's try it out. I'm gonna play a track. Skip. Okay, it does get noisy. Okay, it sounds kind of a bit noisy. It's not bad. It's really not bad for its price, really. The price on this one is 29 ringgit. So, I mean, it's not the best sounding speaker, just like the giant Airpods that we had. It's not the best sounding, but I mean, if you're looking for something that can actually play your music and sound decent, it's not really that bad. Okay, so that's it for our speaker, for our mini speaker. We're gonna now try out the EWA A103. Okay, the price tag on this one is 68 ringgit. Compared to the other two speakers, it's actually more expensive. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Okay, wow. I gotta be honest with you guys, this feels more quality. This feels like more quality. Okay, so we're greeted with micro USB to USB-A USB cable, nice and short. Okay, some very interesting paperwork over here, and the nice little clip thingy. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. Let's get to the speaker. Wow, this is really decent. Okay, so as you can see, not much going on the speaker. Nice and plain. Your charging ports, your speaker grill underneath, some nice grips for the table. Oh wow. Okay, I guess this is the on button. Let's pair this. I guess let's get this on. Okay, that sounds okay. I think this is gonna be good. I've got a good feeling about this. Oh, AWA Audio A103. Okay. Wow. Guys, I need to be honest with you. The quality. Oh, see, the sound is even just. This is some quality. This is some quality. Okay, we're gonna play the song again. So I start it from there. Let's get it.
She knows my heart when she calls me daddy. Everything she say I do, even when I don't want to. Everything she say I do, even when I don't want to. Hey, how did we get here? Tell myself I never found it again. How did we get here? Even if I try to, I can't explain.
Okay. I mean, yo, like, whoa. Okay. I don't even know what to say, guys. This is really impressive. Compared to other speakers that I showed you guys. This is the one. Like, this is some quality. Oh my goodness. Okay, I mean, this light, it's okay. I mean, if you're playing music in the night, I guess this light is just there to, yeah, to show you where the speaker is. I don't know, you can follow the sound. I want to know, let's see, does it say how long this lasts for? Only supports Windows PC. You will be able to play music when connecting to computer. Oh, what? Okay, this is interesting. So it says with the built-in USB sound card, so it's got a sound card inside that allows me to play music using the USB cable to my PC. The sound card feature is really dope. I managed to hook it up to my PC and we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna play a song by Chandana K. It's called Mbo. Let's get it. Not the volume.
Oh, sorry, can't you want to wish us out? Shap shap mori wama wandauka Natali la somo no kotanuka Ule sekate kwesa kutandauka
Okay. I must say this thing is really impressive. This sound card feature, I won't lie to you guys, it's really dope. Like, that's really dope. Okay, so those are the 3 speakers that I had today for you guys. The EWA A103, our mini speaker, and the giant AirPods. So for me, the best is really the EWA, and then between these two, okay, second best is this one, followed by this one. Okay, so guys, these are the 3 speakers I had for you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.